So you guys know how I made on my other channel Quickster burgers? Those were bad enough. Today I'm making speed fast. What the F word does that even mean? Speed feast. What the even more F word is that even supposed to mean? Oh yes, at least that works. Ready in 70 seconds. Ironically, there's two rustlers over here. These are the proper burgers, not those pieces of S word. The buns look very sad, so does the meat. That is proper grilled brown meat. That is something cut straight out of a cow and then put into two wet, soaky buns with weird stuff on it. Anyway, no more complaining. A little bit more moving these plates. Why is there butter here? Plate. I guess I'll use my typical fireman Sam plate, which is very old now. So unboxing these things, I guess. Hold on. With cheese. Just ping and tuck in. I don't know what that means. The microwave does go ping and then tuck in. Tuck in for horrible smell. F word, I can't get the thing off. It says with ketchup. You know where that's going? In the F wording bin. At least I don't have to unwrap anything. Well, at least they did grill the beef. They misplaced the cheese by like 5 meters. It's all weird and bubbly. Brace myself for disgustingness of this disgusting bloody burger. 2.5 minutes. You know the daily routine. Actually, I'm gonna minus it down to 1.5 because I don't like waiting so long for them to cool off. And I'm gonna do 10 seconds later, just bing, just turn them off by myself. And next I'm gonna make some of these in my next video, so to see how good these are. I hate it when this comes like that. 1 point for fast speed feast, minus 1 point for rustlers. Oh my god, I bloody hate those packagings. It advertises it to look like that, but it's bloody disappointment. It's a bun of meat with orange ketchup and cheese. Where's the lettuce? Where's the tomato? Wait, if that's the slice of the tomato, then that means the burger is tiny. What's obviously not. Minus it a little bit. I'm nervous. Oh dear. Dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What have I done? Oh dear. Okay, you can stop now. I think they're not quite ready yet. More time for the burgers. The chipotle. Kitty is outside. It just stopped working. Let the steam come out. It just stopped. It didn't ping. Oh, it advertised it to ping on the box, but it didn't. Find something to grab it. This should be an easy task. Hold on. Beat us down. Effing hell. Yeah. Okay, the plate isn't even that hot. It actually looks worse than the Quicksters. I didn't know that I would say that, but it smells much nicer though. It didn't even ping, it was just like, ugh. The microwave. I've had enough. The microwave has had enough. Oh, I've not got this yet. Hold on.
Ciężko zakochać się ponownie i zaufać kobiecie. Tym bardziej, że była wciąż dzwoni do niego i nie daje o sobie zapomnieć.
That's yummy. Jacket potatoes, I don't care about those. Cornish pasties. What the F word are those? They're Cornish, I guess. I should have said it to M high, so the burger isn't that hot. Anyway, chewing gum out. It's not bloody wet though, which is good. Just let me eat the cheese has turned into water. Do I actually want to eat this? I'm not sure if that was cheese or plastic or orange stuff. Just let me eat my bloody burger. That actually tastes quite a lot worse. Leo, what is that?
No i co, są tacy ludzie i są tacy ludzie, nie? No, nie wszyscy mogą być tacy sami i na jakimś tam, jeden jest na takim poziomie rozwoju, a drugi na innym, no.
Donut.
Mama dzisiaj odwaliła kawał dobrej roboty. Posprzątała kibelek, otworzyła.
These do taste quite a lot worse than Quickster's or Rust ones.
Pokazała, że umie jeździć autem.
There's Mum. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
And by everyone, I just mean my friends. There's those weird things again. Quicksters. Heat to enjoy. What does that mean? Keep refrigerated serving suggestion. Half of a burger with more toppings than there are in the box. Excellent. It says keep refrigerated. Yeah. There's my mum's hair on them. I better put those in there before I go to sleep because my parents will probably forget. Yeah, I can fan myself with a really heavy hot chunk of metal. Steve Jobs did a horrible job designing this. It heats up in like 5 seconds until the point that you can't touch it. Luckily there's these things that you can pinch when it's too hot to physically touch. The flash is really bad, it's white. I need a new microwave anyway because it's super freaking smelly, it barely even works. Yes, we're gonna. I only just remembered that we're making poppy seed cake tomorrow, if that's what it's called. Poppy seed cake. Turbulence. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, which camera is it facing? This camera, because I can see myself in the mirror. I just burped right in your face. I got yellow teeth. Bye.